quick video on how to test a Eaton range shift button, which is this thing here. Up and down, up for high and down for low. And as you can see, there's only two ports. One is the outlet, therefore the other one must be the inlet. So air comes in through here, and then right now the valve is closed, or have no air. Air is off. But then you just disconnect the outlet, and you want to see if it actually turns the air on and off when you move the valve. So up closes the valve, down opens the valve. Up closes the valve for high range, then you apply air.